This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the bonnet slightly, then pull the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. Unclip the safety prop from the slam panel and engage the end with the holes on the bonnet underside. The battery is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Unscrew the negative lead retaining bolt, while at the same time pulling upward on the lead to keep it in contact with the body. There is a small tab on the underside of the lead which maintains contact while the bolt is undone. With the bolt removed, pull the lead sharply away from the body. Cover the end of the lead to prevent accidental reconnection. Remove the plastic rivet securing the radiator grille extension to the front panel by unscrewing the centre section and withdrawing the rivet body. Undo the left-hand headlight upper retaining Torx screw and the lower retaining screw adjacent to the radiator grille. Pull the headlight towards the centre of the car behind the grille and bumper to disengage it from the lower outer attachment point. Disconnect the wiring plug. Loosen the clamps and disconnect the air outlet duct from the air cleaner cover and throttle housing. Similarly, disconnect the resonator air duct from the air cleaner cover and resonator. Reach down and detach the air inlet duct from the front of the air cleaner housing. Pull the air cleaner upwards from its rubber mountings. Squeeze together the sides of the collar and disconnect the crankcase ventilation hose from the air cleaner housing as it's withdrawn. Release the two clips and remove the battery cover. Slacken the nut, then using a twisting motion, pull the positive lead clamp from the battery terminal. Undo the bolt and remove the battery clamp plate. Slide the battery forwards. If required, slacken the nut and detach the negative lead clamp from the terminal. Lift the battery from place. Take care as it's heavy. Push the negative lead clamp firmly down over the battery negative terminal and tighten the clamp nut. Push the battery into the box, then refit the clamp plate and tighten the bolt securely. Press the positive lead clamp firmly onto the battery positive terminal and tighten the clamp nut. Clip the battery front cover into place. Reconnect the crankcase ventilation hose, then press the air cleaner housing down into its rubber mountings. Reconnect the air inlet duct. Refit the two air ducts to the air cleaner cover. Try to refit the clamps to their original positions, then tighten them securely. Note the alignment marks between the duct and the cover. Connect the wiring plug, then manoeuvre the headlight into position. With the headlight correctly positioned, refit the Torq screws and tighten them securely. Refit the expansion rivet, then press down the centre pin to secure it. Remove the rubber or plastic tubing or tape used to cover the negative lead end fitting and place the lead in position on the body. Hold the lead in contact with the body and fit the retaining bolt. Tighten the bolts securely. Detach the end of the prop from the bonnet and clip it into place on the slam panel. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.